Bonsoir tout le monde, bonjour tout le monde. Quel que soit côté dans le monde là, salute to everybody watching right now. This is a very important moment. This is a great moment. I'm so happy to be part of this right here, right now. I have somebody special next to me. You know, our goal is to really, our dream, we want to acknowledge and highlight the Haitian-American contribution. You know, we want to, the Haitian-American experience, that's exactly what we're here to do as HMI Buzz. So today, I met a very special guy, a Haitian-American, I would say Haitian-Canadian, a boxer who done his, who made his name, we did his thing. And I was very fortunate to meet this guy, you know, Bermane, my brother, it's a pleasure to meet you, man. And, you know, we're gonna talk to the people and let the people know, people who don't follow boxing, they might not know who you are. But I'm talking about Omun, 27 fights, 24 KO. And we're talking about only lost 2. So the 6'2" man right here, man. Talk to the people, man. How you feeling, my brother?
I feel good, man. I feel great. You know, took some time off from the last fight, and you know, back to work. Took a month off, and I feel good. I feel great, man.
For people who might not know, might not follow boxing, they might not know who you are. What can you tell them? I know they can Google it. I know they can Google it, but why you might want to tell them?
Basically, Google it.
Google it. You're gonna see the name.
I mean, it's, you know, people that don't follow boxing. It was an honor for me to be the first heavyweight champion of the world from Haiti. So that's my biggest accomplishment.
So you were born in Haiti?
Yes, sir.
Ouais, haïtien natif natal, ça qu'a fait.
Yeah,
so, ou grandi Canada, ouais?
Yeah, man. Miami, no, Canada, Montreal. You know, especially Laval, the area. And, you know, I reside here in Florida, so and Vegas right now. I've been in Vegas for the past 12 years. And, you know, that's what I do, back and forth, Florida and Vegas.
When was your last fight?
I believe it was January 14. 17.
This past January 17. What was the result?
Nah, you know, the result was not what I expected. You know, due to a complication, a physical complication. But you know, now I'm 100%. I went back, took some time off for the past month, and now it's time to regroup and go back to work.
So when is your next fight?
Right now we're looking at probably July, June somewhere, and that would be the fight. The first fight to my resurrection, so to speak, straight back to the top.
So why do you box, man?
I don't know, man.
Come on, man.
I don't know.
What do you get from boxing that you don't get from anything else?
What I wanted to do was a football player. That didn't work out. So
you played in high school. You played football in high school.
Yeah, high school. Not really high school, but college. I did play high school a little bit. But college,
so
been into college, and you know.
When you're in the ring, what are you defending?
Pride.
Pride.
I mean, pride. There's a lot going on. It's deep. You know. You obviously gotta do a lot of. When you fight for a lot of cause. You know. You got pride. Obviously, that's the way. That's the profession that I chose. That's how I chose to live. That's how I pay my bills. So you fight for a lot of different things, you know.
So family.
Of course.
I would say early 30s.
Nah.
Not
man.
Even.
Nah, man. I'm past mid-30s. You know?
Oh man.
36.
Wow.
Yeah.
You look like you in your early 30s, man. That's what's up.
Hey,
so I mean. Have you been in Haiti, man?
I'm actually going tomorrow.
For how long?
About 4 days.
How long do you usually go to Haiti? How often?
That's my first time in the long time.
Like 15 years?
I plead the fifth.
Ok, but nous toujours Haïtien natif natal. Allez Haïti ou pas, parce que nous mangeons griot, nous dire, ah ouais.
I can't wait.
Yo.
That's my goal, man. As soon as I get off the plane, man, you know, manger.
Do you have any plan, like charitable plan for Haiti? Or?
Well, obviously that's my that's the main reason why I'm flying out tomorrow.
Okay.
So I'll be able to talk about that on my when I come back.
Okay, you gonna meet with the president? Is that a secret meeting? Come on, man. Let the people know, man.
I mean, you know, it's possible. I had a few phone calls from him, but you know, we'll see. It'll be an honor for me to meet him because last year it didn't happen. I think somebody in his family passed away.
Okay.
And but you know, I don't really know what to expect from this trip. I'm just looking forward, excited about the different things, the doors that will open when I get down there.
Absolutely, man. I mean, moi crois une bagaille c'est que nous doit content apprécier que now nous avons un pile jeune qui ouais ba la différent, qui ouais Haïti on l'autre gens, vous comprenez ça me dit là, qui gon ça veut dire une fierté, what we call pride, Haitian pride in us. And with that pride, I know we can accomplish a lot, we can go far. So, can you elaborate on that?
Well, most of it is probably faith. You know, always, you know, you gotta believe in something. You know, some people have God for instinct, have faith in God, have faith in other things. You know, you gotta find faith somewhere on something, and believe that you will accomplish. Always have that belief in the back of your mind that I can do it. You know, me, it was always God. So, you know, I always put God first in what I do. So, you know, my main thing to me is faith and focus.
All right, I'm not gonna hold you too long, my brother, but I know in Haiti, the trip you're going to Haiti is really basically a lot of it gonna have to do with giving back, right? Giving back, and I know the youth, you're gonna invest in the youth. Is it really through boxing or sports, or can you give the people something?
Well, yeah, I mean, it's obviously boxing, but if boxing could bring other things, because not everybody could be a boxer.
Yeah.
So if boxing can open doors for different
opportunities,
opportunities and skills, and a lot of different things, then so be it. You know, because a lot of people got. A lot of kids out there and adults or whoever, they have a lot of skills but don't have the opportunity to be able to show
they haven't given the opportunity to accomplish
their
dreams or whatever things of that nature.
So you know, and that's what the trip is about. You know, to have those people or kids. To give them a chance.
To give them a chance.
Yeah, to be able to accomplish something and
in life.
All right.
My brother, it was my honor, man. It was my absolute pleasure, man. We're gonna keep up with everything that you're doing. Also, we're gonna be following you. Tell the people, man, where they can follow you on. I don't know if you're on Twitter or Instagram or you know, Facebook.
I mean, obviously, unfortunately, you know, social media, they do have accounts that's fake.
Yeah.
Twitter is B Stiverne, and Instagram is my whole name, Bermane Stiverne, and you got Facebook is Team Stiverne. That's about it, man. You know, I do answer my own my own social media account. So
the questions. All right, man. It was an absolute pleasure, man. Good luck with everything, man. All right, we'll keep in touch with you.
All right.
All right.